Today we're working on getting the CAD model ready for our design review, making sure all the mechanical systems are modeled and toleranced properly, making sure everything works and fits together when we go to assemble it. It takes a lot of the confusion out of the process.
So today I've been working on designing the electrical box and working with the cooling system. So obviously we have a bunch of components in there and they're going to generate heat, so we got to make sure we take care of that. Yeah, well, we've had kind of a set of 3 classes. In this case, since we're dealing with, it's moving air, so fluids is included, but obviously thermodynamics and heat transfer, as well as I've had a fair amount of experience in that sort of a field through my co-op.
So today I was working on cleaning up the website. So we have our design document that we're working on, so we want to make sure that we have all the stuff in there that'll show what we're trying to do. So I was working on getting that cleaned up, taking screenshots of that so we can accurately capture that.
Today I'm working on the electrical schematic for the trailer, so it involves high voltage control electronics. I've learned a fair amount in my co-op for, I guess, integrating different components, matching their voltage, giving the components what they need in the electrical schematic.
We were tasked with creating 2 educational modules, one geared towards the general public to raise a base level awareness for solar power. The second was geared towards early adopters, homeowners, business owners interested in installing solar power on their building.
The purpose of this project was to create a platform to demonstrate solar power and solar technologies, and we did that through the use of a portable trailer.
With an on-grid solar system, you can sell excess electricity back to the grid. With an off-grid solar system, you can utilize a battery bank to store excess electricity to use during times of no power generation.
The trailer has a display on it which allows users to see some of the data that it's collected over the course of its deployment. This data is also available online on our website.
So as a team, we met with our faculty sponsors and some other faculty members about the design of our trailer, and we took their input and feedback about our designs, and we changed our design and worked with that, and after a couple iterations of doing the design reviews with the sponsors, we got the final design of the trailer.
Some of the design constraints for this project were to create a mobile unit which incorporated both solar panels and solar shingles, and this created a unique engineering experience for the team.
Go Solar!